In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more storage in Google Workspace. It's an essential task for anyone trying to manage large amounts of data across a team or an organization. Let's dive into the process and make sure every step is crystal clear for you. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Google Workspace dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage various aspects of your Google services, and today we're focusing on storage. Once you're on the dashboard, the first thing you should look for is the storage option. It's usually on the left-hand side of the screen, which makes it quite easy to access. Clicking on it will take you directly to your storage overview page. Here, you can see how much storage you're currently using and get a snapshot of remaining space. Now, the next step is to click on Manage Storage. This is where you'll be able to control and adjust your storage settings. The Manage Storage button is typically placed right near the current storage summary, making it convenient to find. By selecting this option, you can begin changing the storage limits, which is exactly what we're going for today. Once you've clicked into Manage Storage, you'll find an icon that looks like a pencil. This pencil icon signifies Edit Mode, and that's your gateway to modifying storage settings. Click on this pencil icon and a new option will appear, allowing you to enable changes. You should see an option that simply says On. By selecting On, you activate the ability to adjust your storage parameters. After turning the option on, you'll have the opportunity to increase your storage limit. Google Workspace offers flexibility in terms of the scale you choose, so you can opt to set it by either gigabytes or terabytes, depending on the amount of storage your organization requires. Whether it's just a small increase to gigabytes or a significant jump to terabytes, make sure it fits your needs and plans for expansion. Once you've chosen the appropriate level of storage, the next step is crucial. Don't forget to save your changes. Saving will confirm your settings and apply them to your account, ensuring that you have access to the additional storage immediately. This final click of the Save button is simple but essential, as it completes the process of modifying your storage settings. And there you have it. You've successfully increased your storage in Google Workspace. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you've ensured your team has the space it needs to work efficiently and manage your resources effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with your workspace needs. If you have any questions or need further help, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day managing your workspace.